Hey everybody, Brian from Bear Bull Traders. Tuesday, August 14th. Let's go a few trades I did in the room today. We had a really good day. Andrew did some great trades with SQ and BZUN. And I was focusing more on these low floats. HYER wasn't on our watch list, but I decided to throw it up on the screen at the last minute just because it was under THST and it kind of had some interesting price action as well. So I thought I'd watch that. That turned into my first trade. You see here it kind of popped up at the open, held this level, and we don't try not to trade in the first 5 minutes here, but it just held this level and I just thought, okay, it's probably going to go higher. So I jumped in at 380 and sold at 401, 405, and then it just started to look like it was going to lose VWAP again, so I got back out at 385 on the rest of it. So it was an okay trade. THST was the other one I was watching for Fallen Angel, and this is one that we did have on our watch list, 930 to 935. You can kind of see typical Fallen Angel pattern, falls off here, but then it sort of finds a level. You can see here it's just finding support, grinding along. Look at that volume dropping off, which is another indicator it's about to move higher. And then you can see here it starts to move up, so I jumped in at 268 and sold some at 293, sold some more at $3, going for that push through the hole number 3. And then it pulled back here, and I guess I just got nervous because the previous, HYRE didn't have any follow through, so I just thought didn't have any follow through, so I just thought I was going to do the same thing, so I bailed here on it at 292. So that was a decent trade. I got decent money on that trade, and then the last trade I did for the day, like I said, we watched Square, had a nice opening range breakout, and went up to this level, sold out. Andrew covered that trade, and then it started to really sell off. So it came right back to where it opened, which was kind of interesting. I saw that, and then I saw the fact that it was making a double bottom. So you got the bottom here, and then a little bit of a pop, and then a bottom, but it still held this level. So there's my stop right there, and I entered at 73.67 and rode it back up to, was looking for it to go back to VWAP. And the reason I liked this trade was, it was a nice setup. It went back, it held where it started. It was a double bottom. It was obviously strong, and I thought a good chance it was just going to come back up here. So, and like I said, I like the double bottom because of the risk reward. So anyway, sold some at 73.90 and some at 74 as it went through the whole number, and then sold some right at the VWAP. And I think some other people took that trade too, and they actually maybe have added to it after it went through VWAP. But I still held on to a small position. I didn't sell all of it up at VWAP. I held it, and it went through the VWAP. So anyway, those were it was a good day in the room. Like I said, we had some great trades, and we'll see you in the room tomorrow. Have a great rest of the day, guys and gals.